In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple files at once to Google Drive. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and open Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're in, head to your drive so you can see the main area where your files and folders live. Keep this browser tab visible. You'll be dragging files into it in a moment. Now on your computer, open the folder that contains the files you want to upload. It helps to put the folder window and your browser window side by side so you can see both at once. That way you won't lose track of where you're dropping your files. To choose multiple files, start by clicking the first file you want. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac, and click each additional file you want to include. You don't have to click them in order, just keep holding the key and select each one you need. If the files you want are next to each other in the list, you can simply highlight them all at once. One easy way is to click just outside the first file, hold down your mouse button, and drag your cursor over the group so they're all selected. Another common approach is to click the first file in the block, hold the Shift key, and then click the last file in that group to select everything in between. If you accidentally open a file instead of selecting it, just go back and try again, making sure you click the file name once to select, not double-click to open. With your file selected, click and hold on any one of the highlighted files, then drag the entire selection over to your Google Drive tab or window. When your cursor is over Drive, you should see a visual cue that it's ready to accept the files. Release the mouse button to drop them in. You'll see an upload panel appear, usually at the bottom right of the screen, showing progress for each file. Keep the Drive tab open while the upload completes. Larger files or a big batch may take a bit longer depending on your connection. Once the upload finishes, your files will appear in your drive exactly where you dropped them. This method uploads the files themselves, not the folder, so if you want them grouped, consider creating a folder in Drive first, then drop the files into it. And that's it. Sign in, select your files, and drag and drop to Google Drive for a quick multi-file upload.